G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's today with another Nitecore product, the Concept 2 flashlight. It is a compact unit that packs 6,500 lumens. So it comes packed in this neat little gift box here. I want to show you what comes inside. So underneath the lid here, we've got warranty information and a user guide. And then packed up amongst the phone here, we've got the torch. Comes with a holster. You've got your charging adapter, your transformer, and spare buttons in case you need repairs down the track. Now, if I look at the torch itself, it's reasonably compact, fits in the palm of your hand, 348 grams, 112.5 millimeters in length, and we've got 40 mil by 40 mil this way. Now it's made of a CNC machined tube of aircraft grade aluminium with a military spec hard anodized finish to it, so they're really well made products. Impact resistance of 1 meter and an IP68 waterproof rating, which means it's submergible to 2 meters. And in the end here, there's 4 CREE LEDs that are protected by an ultra clear and toughened mineral glass, which is really scratch resistant and allows, doesn't impede the light coming through it. If I have a look at the operation of the torch, it all happens through this one button on the side here. Now it's a 2-stage button, a half press and a full press. A full press is a click, so when we full press it, we turn it on. So that's now stepped into the 1 lumen mode there. A half press scrolls through the settings. So at 1 lumen, we're going to get about 2,000 hours of runtime. A half press, we step up to 285 lumens. Another press to mid is 1,000 lumens. Then we go to high at 2,500 lumens, and then we go all the way up to turbo, which is 6,500 lumens. Now, this is really bright. I can actually feel plenty of heat coming from the end of the torch there. This is actually getting warm from the amount of light coming out. You don't want to be shining this in anyone's eyes. So another full press turns that off again. Now we can actually access turbo mode straight away without scrolling through the options. From the torch being off, if we hold down on this button, we access turbo mode just temporarily. It turns off again when we release it. If from the torch being on and we're in the low setting there, we want to access turbo mode, we hold down a half press and then access turbo mode just temporarily on and off. So there are 3 other settings that the Nitecore Concept 2 has, and that's a strobe mode, a distress beacon mode, and an SOS mode. To enter those modes, we need to first turn the torch on and hold down a full press on this top button here. That's now entered strobe mode. A half press will enter beacon mode, and then another half press, we go to SOS. And the last function I want to show you that is operated through this button here is a lockout mode, so the torch can't accidentally be turned on in a pack or in your vehicle. So to lock the torch, we do a half press on the button here for 2 seconds and we get a flash out the front. So that's now locked, and we can also tell by when we depress this button here, there's a blue light that lights up behind here that tells us it's in lock mode. To unlock the torch, we hold down on here for a full press for another 2 seconds and the light will turn back on again. And we're unlocked, ready to use. Now, the Concept 2 is powered by 4 3100 milliamp lithium ion batteries inside here, and that's charged through the charging port on the side here. You just use your included adapter to plug into 240, and it just plugs into the side there. Now, while it's charging, there's an indicator light in the button here that will blink occasionally in a blue color while it's charging. Once it's charged up, this light goes solid. Another interesting feature is the battery indicator on here. If I do a half press on this button here actually flashes 4 times at the moment, and then there's a gap, and then it flashes once more. Now that means there's 4.1 volts left in the battery. At full charge is 4.2. Low charge is 3.7 or less than. So by pressing this button and looking at the combination of how many times that flashes gives us an indication of the battery level, the voltage level in the battery. That's pretty much all the features of the Nitecore Concept 2 flashlight. Very powerful and very compact little unit. It does also come with a removable wrist lanyard. It has the belt clip on the side there, so you can secure it to your belt or wherever you might want to clip it to, a pack. It does also come obviously with the holster, so you can use that to attach it to shorts, packs, however you want to carry it as well. You can pick these up off our website. Lowest prices every day, free delivery to just about anywhere in Australia. Hope that was useful. We'll catch you next time.